one by one step. See, I wash and dry it and no water at all. Every day should be. Okay, see. Then one piece is there. I put little salt. Now, okay. Keep for one day. Keep for one night. Tomorrow the pickles, raw mango pickles. Okay. Keep lid and keep for one day. I add the garlics with cover. See, don't remove this cover, okay? Otherwise it becomes soft. Now the sour juice has come out. See, sour juice has come out. See. Then I mix the dry hands. Don't use wet hands. Keep like that. Okay. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock I will go to do the pickles. Okay. Now I am going to put the cumin seed. See, little cumin seed. Enough. Enough. Keep slow flame. Finish. If it is cool, then I am going to do the mixie grinder and only rub. Press like that. See, mustard oil. Pickle should be more oil need because it will be going to keep for a long time. Okay? Enough. See what is this oil? Mustard oil. High flame. Only just boil of it and add the paratha seed. Okay, I will show you. See, now I am going to add the mustard seed. Little. See, this is oil. Hot, little hot. It's become little cool now. Then paratha. Off. Stove should be off. It also become little cool. Not when they're too much hot, that time it's become black. Understand? Two quality of chili. This is hot. This is okay. Kashmiri chili. See, now this I kept for some time under the sun. Here too much sun is available, too hot here. So I'm going to add here. See, little hot. Because no drop water also will add there. Otherwise we cannot keep for a long time. So it's off. Little warm. Not add too much hot in oil. While you are putting only little warm. See, yesterday night I put garlics also. See, garlics hard. If you want to add, with cover, no water. Then I am going to add this chili powder. One chips two. I think enough. 2.5. A little turmeric powder. Salt I will see later. This is chili, Kashmiri chili, hot chili, and cumin. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Okay. See, I add this all. See, and should be dry, no water. Tomorrow you keep for one day, and tomorrow morning you see if it is less oil, you boil for 1 minute, 100 grams.